If you are advanced M57 engine owner, you already know this knocking noise. If you are new, don't scare, it's default for M57. This noise is coming from vacuum pump, not from inside of the engine. In some cars, this noise is not that loud, and in this episode I want to test does new vacuum pump will make this noise quiet. In following frames you can hear how vacuum pump works on other cars. So now it's knocking like this. Also I will make vacuum test how much negative pressure this old vacuum pump gives, and also I will make pressure test how much new vacuum pump gives negative pressure. Here on the table I have new vacuum pump made by Pierburg, same producer like from factory. Country of origin, as you can see, is France. Here is some universal instruction. Here is nothing special. The only one thing, you should line these two teeth to camshaft holes. Here is O-ring which sometimes leaking, and this plastic is back pressure valve. Here is vacuum pump. It's also Pierburg France, as you can see. And to engine it's holding by two bolts. One is here and another one here. Also, if you have EGR, you should remove it. Here I have pipes for my extra oil catcher, so maybe I will need to remove them. But first of all, here I have vacuum line, and I will try to measure negative pressure on with old pump and then with new. So everything is connected now. I will take a seat, start engine, wait for 10 seconds, and then we'll press brakes a few times. As you can see, this bolt is rich in oil, so while installing I will add some thread locker. This bolt don't require thread locker. Also, I need to release this clamp. This tube is very hard. You see, now it's like plastic. To remove pump, so I will just push it and it should be out. Let's compare new to old one. Some numbers here and there is different. Logo here and logo here is different. But in general looks like same product. And here you see I have logo BMW, and here I have like extra sticker and maybe BMW logo under. No BMW logo under, but something was here before. Here is old bolt. I just clean him and will add some thread locker and install him back. Temporarily I will use worm clamp and then we'll change pipe and both clamps to original BMW. Main work is done for today. Now I remember that I wanted to replace this tube for replacement plug, so I will go to warehouse, take plug and go back. Here is plug I'm talking about. mission success. Now it looks like this. Now everything is fully done. The only one I need is to measure vacuum negative pressure and noise from vacuum pump. Nothing changed. So for now, that's all. As you heard, nothing changed. A few more days passed after replacement and noise is still present on the same level. So it means I replace good old pump to new one, which is not bad at all. And in the end I will show you part of vacuum pump which is making this knocking noise.